Welcome back, smart installers. In this section of the video, we'll be unboxing this camera. So you can see this is how the camera looks like. So now we will unbox it, we'll see all the items inside the camera. And now let's check how the camera looks like and the items inside the camera. So let's unbox it. Okay, in this box we have the camera. This is the camera. This is how the camera looks like. You can see in the shape of a bulb. You can see yourself. So in this box also we have the lamp holder. This is the lamp holder itself. This is how the lamp holder looks like. This lamp holder is used to screw the bulb. You can see that it's scrolling. And also we have the this is what they call the screw. This is the screw itself. This screw is used to screw down this lamp holder. You can see the space for the screw, this one and this one, just two. And inside, if you check inside this leather, you see that it's just only two screws that is inside. And also we have one item inside. That's the reset pin. There's a reset pin inside. That reset pin is used to reset this camera itself. There's a space for it. In the next section I'll be explaining about that. So this pin can be used to reset this camera itself. So let's see the last item inside. The last item is the manual. This manual, you have all the content inside. Everything at all you need to know about this camera is written inside. All the content, everything, how to download the application, you have it in this manual. So in the next section of the video, I'll be teaching us on how to install it. So see you in my next section of the video.